The TEXTAFTER function is a great tool when you want to go ahead and extract text from a certain text string after a certain point. So here in my example, I have my information column, and I want to go ahead and extract all my first names from this column. My first names are found after the comma in the text string. So I want to go ahead and use the TEXTAFTER function to extract all the text after that comma. I'll say equal text after. There are several arguments here. The last four are not required. Those are optional for a more precise extraction, but the first two are going to be what's required, text and delimiter. The text argument is what text is Excel working with for the extraction. So cell A5, comma. Delimiter means at what point is Excel going to be extracting text after. So that's going to be the comma, because the comma is what separates my last names from the first name. So I'll put that comma in quotes because it is text. Close it out and push enter. It extracts Alan because that's found after the comma in my text string. I can take this and copy it down so Excel can find all the text after every comma in every name and extract it for our first name column. And here we have the TEXTAFTER function.